What if you could build a 6 to 7-figure business in less than 90 days, from home, with no limits on your income? Welcome to Kinlock's Tax 2.0, where we've completely disrupted the tax industry. This isn't just tax preparation, this is a complete business in a box. Run your own virtual tax office, add bookkeeping clients, offer credit repair, and build a high-earning tax team, all in one platform. We're A-rated with the Better Business Bureau and have a 4.9 star rating on Google because our virtual model works for anyone, no matter your experience or background. No expensive office space, no utilities, no huge overhead. As a virtual business office or VBO, you'll learn how to file taxes and earn 10% overrides on every VBO you enroll. Refer Sarah as a VBO. She files 100 returns at $200 each. That's $2,000 passive income for you. Refer 10 VBOs, that's $20,000 in passive income every single tax season. And that's just the start. As a VBO, you can unlock extra income streams like credit repair. Our Credit Mastery program teaches you to fix credit for yourself, your clients, and your businesses. VBOs earn $50 per referral for anyone who joins Credit Mastery. Taxes are seasonal. Credit repair is short-term, but bookkeeping is year-round income. Our 3 packages: Basic, get paid $50 per month per client; Standard, get paid $100 per month per client, includes payroll and contractor tracking; or Premium, get paid $200 per month per client, full-scale bookkeeping. We handle all the work. You get paid every month. Now, we save the best for last. Elite Tax Pro programs. Elite Silver, earn 100% prep fees plus additional income from Service Bureau and audit fees. Example, charge $300 plus $100 in Service Bureau audit fees equals $400 total per return instead of $300. Elite Gold, the fast track to 6 to 7 figures in 90 days or less. 100% prep fees, Service Bureau, and audit fees. Build unlimited tax preparers under you, fully customized. We train your preparers and show them how to get clients on autopilot using AI. Example, 25 preparers file 25 returns each times $170, $100 prep fee split plus $70 in audit/Service Bureau fees equals $106,250. No gimmicks, no fluff, just pure results. We give you the blueprint, systems, training, and marketing, all done for you. Your only limit is the work you put in. Go to kinlockstax.com or get with the person who referred you to this video before spots fill. Your 6 to 7 figure business starts now.